Congressman Marcoleta and then Congressman Abante.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Judging from the title of the resolution before us, is it correct to assume that this hearing is only limited to social media platforms?
No, of course not.
Because the way I see it, it only addresses the problems, alleged problems encountered against bloggers.
No, Chairman, Congressman Marcoleta. That's the reason why we have invited as well the government agencies and also the academe and other media outlets who have parameters on.
But we have not invited members of the mainstream media, Mr. Chair.
We did. And that's the reason why we're asking for the excuse letter as well, because a while ago, the COMSEC have acknowledged the persons of the resource persons who have been invited.
Did we invite, Mr. Chair, Philippine Inquirer and Philippine Star?
COMSEC, can you please reply to the query of the good gentleman from Sagip Party List?
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Philippine Daily Inquirer was not invited, Mr. Chair.
How about other social media? How about some other major media outlets?
Philippine Star, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, KBP was invited, kapisanan ng mga broadcasters sa
And the
Pilipinas.
president of the KBP is here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did that satisfy the query of Congressman Marcoleta?
Because I think, Mr. Chair, even the not only the social media are supposed to be invited, but also the mainstream media. I am personally victimized by these two popular newspapers, broadsheets. May I cite a particular example just to dramatize, Mr. Chair?
Yeah, Mr. Chair.
Kaya importante lang sana. Gusto ko rin sila marinig ko nandito.
What's the point of order? So what's the point of order?
We are still in checking all the invitations that was sent to all the invitees. At the same time, Mr. Chairman, some of those invitees are not present. And with regards to the query being made by Congressman Marcoleta, I do believe that he has a basis for that. And since, Mr. Chairman, the COMSEC has confirmed that indeed Philippine Daily Inquirer and Philippine Star are not invited into today's hearing. Since Congressman Marcoleta is not a member of this committee, may I respectfully move, Mr. Chairman, that in the next hearing, we will invite Philippine Daily Inquirer and Philippine Star to expedite discussion, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
May I know, Mr. Chair, why...
Wait. Order. By Congressman Paduano, and we have to tackle first the motion. Huh? We have to tackle the motion.
I second the motion.
And there's that was duly seconded. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. So, Congressman Marcoleta, your query is valid. Unfortunately, I think it's the fault of the COMSEC for not inviting, because you have to consider as well that we have invited so many already for the bloggers. It was like 40, and we cannot accommodate everybody. And that's the reason why your query is so valid that we will be inviting them in the next hearing. And at the same time, having said that, your story about being victimized of those two broadsheet can be tackled in the next hearing. So the next item.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, you have the floor right now, Congressman.
I just would like to find out if Miss Elizabeth Joey Cruz, aka Joey DeVere, Fivre, was invited.
Congressman,
If he was invited,
Mr. Chairman,
I'd like
point of order, Mr. Chairman.
what's the point of order?
Once again, Mr. Chairman, the floor is still with Congressman Marcoleta, and is she okay na po ba? Can you, Congressman Marcoleta, with regards to the query that I move to invite Philippine Daily Inquirer and Philippine Star?
Yes.
It was approved.
Well,
Now,
actually, I have already taken action.
I
on
know,
the
but
query of
the floor is still with Congressman Marcoleta, and I asked personally Congressman Marcoleta to the chair if he is satisfied with the motion that I have made, Mr. Chairman. And after that, siguro, let's proceed with another member of the House of this committee.
Congressman Marcoleta, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I still have to include another aspect of inquiry. Kasi hindi lamang po yung social media at saka yung mainstream media. I was also personally victimized by certain survey firms. Nagsasurvey po sila. For example po, yung SWS, kailangan sabihin ko na po. Nag-survey po sila ng third quarter survey last year. And they listed 40 names, senatorial preferences. Nandito po sa akin, ibibigay ko po yung kopya po, reference ng ating committee. There are 40 names mentioned and indicated in that list. Ito po, Mr. Chair. Gusto ko lamang pong emphasize na dito sa 40 senatoriables po na kanilang ginamit dito sa survey na to, meron pong 6 na relatively unknown. Babasahin ko po ang pangalan: Adonis Jerome, Andamo Jocelyn, Arambolo Ronel, Doringo Mimi, Floranda Mori, Danilo Ramos. Meron po naman 7 na sikat, Mr. Chair, pero hindi naman nagpahayag po ng pagtakbo bilang senador. Andyan na po si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte, dating Senador Franklin Drilon, dating Senador Richard Gordon, Harry Roque, dating Vice Presidente Robredo Maria Leonor, at saka po yung ating Secretary of Defense, Gilbert Chodoro. Pero po malinaw dito, Mr. Chair, hindi po nila ako nilagay dito sa 40. Pero no pong yung outcome pong ito ipalabas nila, number 36 po ako. Paano po mangyayari na ako po ay magiging number 36, hindi naman po kasali rito? Ito po yung klase ng mga manipulative surveys na pinaniniwalaan po ng mga tao. Sana po hindi na lang nila ako sinama sapagkat wala naman ako rito. Sino po ba si Adonis Jerome, Andamo Jocelyn, Arambolo Ronel, Doringo Mimi, Floranda Modi, Mr. Kong Barbers, may kilala ka ba rito? Bakit naman po, hindi ko naman po pinagpipilitan na isama nila ako rito. Ang problema, hindi po ako kasama, Mr. Chair, pero nilagay po nila ako doon sa resulta, number 36 ako. Hindi naman po tatama ito. Ito po yung gusto nating i-address lahat. Hindi lamang po social media.
We understand that your predicament,
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Congressman Marcoleta.
Bibigay ko po yung
and the
kopya para sa
the
referensya po.
representation also doesn't believe that. Because on my own assumption, nasa top 5 ka. So, Mr. Chairman, Chairman, just
Mr. Chair.
kidding aside. No.
Mr. Chair.
Kidding aside. We have to tackle that issue as well, that being espoused by Congressman Marcoleta. So we'll be inviting over in the next hearing, what survey firm is that? SWS and the Pars Asia. Ilan ba yan?
Ito lang muna yung nakita ko. At saka yung Manila Broadcasting Corporation.
MBC. Because in the House resolution itself, the House resolution number 2147, it clearly states,
Social media lang.
Yeah.
Medyo lang eh.
Oh, kaya yun lang yung topic natin. But we cannot,
but it was delivered. No. Congressman Barbers, you have delivered in your privilege speech a wide, comprehensive approach on this matter.
That
And I
is
think
correct, Mr.
inviting
Chair.
over the survey firm is also correct.
yeah, maybe we
Because
can
we are tackling
expand.
not only the House Resolution number 2147, we're also tackling 2 privileged speeches that was delivered by you. So, I think may basis po yung kay Congressman Marcoleta. Okay, and at the same time, so, there's some,
Mr. Chair,
noted po yung kay Congressman Marcoleta. Now,
May I now be
Chairman
recognized?
Abante, now you are recognized.
my query is if we have invited a certain Elizabeth Cruz, no? AKA Joey De Vibre, Mr. Chair. If we have invited her and she has an excuse letter, may I know what was the excuse, Mr. Chairman?
Concept, please answer the query of Congressman Abante, please.
Pang sa social media. Harap dito ay.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Miss Elizabeth Joy Cruz was invited and she sent an excuse letter via email.
Ano po yung kanyang excuse letter? Ano yung dahilan?
One moment, sir. I'll get it from the chair. Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Can you kindly also, Comsec, can you kindly also try to tell us those resource persons who have not attended this committee hearing? Yung may mga excuse letter, okay yun. But those who have not reply to our request to be present on today's hearing.
Thank you, Mr.
Mr. Chair,
Chair.
particularly first, Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Abante.
particularly I am referring to AKA Joe Diviri sapagkat matindi yung kanyang mga sinabi dito. Gusto ko talagang makita siya at makausap sapagkat dito minura niya ako at ang sabi niya, panay kabobohan sa quad, sayang kuryente sa'yo.
Huwag mo sa kanya.
Ano yung pack you? Yung pack you, hindi ko alam yung pack.
Huwag mo na sabihin.
Congressman Abante.
Katutuloy ko lang pumunta.
Mr. Chairman, Congressman, don't be so personal. Let's be more comprehensive on this approach.
Binabasa ko lang eh.
Sige, go ahead. I'll give you
Pangalawa, November 13, 2024, nagmura na naman siya. Hindi ko na babanggitin yung mura niya. Pag tinatanong kung anong legislation ginawa niyo in relation to this BS, ano ba yung BS? BS inquiry, sasagot ka. Paswelduhan ka ng taxpayers, gago. November 3, 2024, si Benny Abante at si Romel Marbil ay mga protektor ng illegal na droga dahil pilit nilang pinalalabas na hindi ito ganon kasama. Tapos sabing ganyan, si Dan Fernandez and Ace Barber's survey are depressing. Alam na nila na matatalo sila sa eleksyon. So what is the hearing for? Smoke screen for the discount. Tinabi ko ito sapagkat matindi po itong mga akusasyon na ibinigay nitong gusto ko nilang magmura eh. Hindi na ako magbumura muna. Oo. Kailangan po, itong mga to, ang tatapang nila eh. Ang tatapang sa pagmumura, nang wala tayong kalaban-laban. Ngayon, pag kaharap dito, hindi makaharap dito. Oo. Mga takot din pala yung mga yan eh.
Please hold your fire, please.
I'm
Just on the process of administrative, ano pa lang muna tayo, Congressman Abante. We can tackle that on the interpellation.
Mr. Chair, gusto ko lang pong bagitin tong kanya excuse letter. Nakalagay dito, after meaningful consultation with my lawyers, gumayad pa na abogado. I have decided to respectfully decline. Respectfully? Minumura tayo, respectfully? To share my knowledge on matters. Hindi knowledge ang kailangan natin.
The lawyer, if this is like...
Ask the lawyers kung libelous yung ginawa niyo o slander. No, nakalagay, I would like to categorically state that I am neither paid by POGO operators. Hindi na pinag-uusapan. Pinag-uusapan natin yung mga sinabi niya. Tapos, respectfully, Elizabeth Joey Cruz, na nakikinig po sa atin ngayon, nanonood ngayon, humarap ka dito, kumatapang ka. Hirap sa iyo, nagbumura ka nang dyan na wala kaming kalaban-laban. Humarap ka dito. Dito. Namo.
Chairman.
No, wait.
Quiet, Chairman.
Please observe, refrain from laughing or whatever expression you wanted to, please observe decency and, of course,
Chair, I move that we strike out.
with all due respect, with Congressman Abante, I feel your sentiment, I feel your sentiment, but we are in the process of finding out the yung pong implementation of the 10175. And I respect your freedom of expression. But what I'm trying to tell you is to refrain from the fire that you wanted to express, no? But for now, nandun pa lang po tayo sa administrative matter, and we wanted to finish that, and then we will be discussing, or we will be approving the ground rules. Wala pa po yung ground rules, and kaya nga po doon sana yung kay Chairman Abante papatak yan sa ground rules. Anyway, having said that, siguro we'll proceed to the next item
Mr.
of our
Chair,
agenda, is to approve.
So that we can have an
Yeah,
orderly hearing, we must first approve the ground rules. I believe that the COMSEC has already distributed copies of the ground rules
Correct.
to the members present. So therefore, Mr. Chair, I move to approve the ground rules.
Yes, there's a motion to approve the ground rules, and I believe that the members of this committee have already received the yung pong ground rules natin, and you have already read it. So siguro I need a second motion for this. Any second motion?
Second.
This was duly seconded. Any
Seconded.
objection?
Second.
Hearing none, the said motion is now approved.
Administration of
Hindi mo babasahin naman ang ground rules.
the mamaya after administration.
So the next item of our agenda is for all the
Mr. Chair,
yes, Congressman Zamora.
I would like to reiterate my earlier motion to strike out the expletive that was mentioned by my idol Representative Abante earlier. Second motion.
Mr. Chair,
Second motion.
I object because it was not expletive. Sinabi ko lang, namo. That can mean anything. Okay. That can mean anything.
Hearing resumed.